Hey guys, it's Quinn here. So the other day I was at the Redmond bike park, my BMX race bike, and well, the tire popped. Usually no big deal, but I didn't have a spare that day, so I had to order one. It just came in the mail today, and I thought I'd share with you how to replace a tube on a BMX bike. So here we go.
So in order to replace a tube, you are going to need these tools and parts. First, you'll need the tube that is replacing the flat. To figure out the right size for your bike, look at the tire, and there should be an imprint on the side somewhere. Here it says 20 inches 1.85, which means that the tube size is 20 inches. Second, you'll need a set of Allen wrenches that fit where your hub is screwed into. And finally, you'll need these tire levers. Two of them usually will work. Plastic ones are great, and you can pick them up for around $4, but if you have the money, metal ones go a really long way. Now today I will be replacing the rear tire, which is a bit more challenging than the front, but we'll manage. First, you'll need to unscrew the wheel on both sides where the hub is attached to the frame. Then, slide it forward so that the chain drops off the front gear. Then, slip out the tire. Alright guys, so now that we got the tire off of the bike, we can start doing some work. So start by deflating the tire fully. Then take the tire with the lever and scoop the bead of the tire up, which is the side part. Then take your other lever and just a couple inches away from where you scooped it at, you can scoop the bead up. Go a couple more inches, scoop the bead up. A little bit more, then scoop the bead up. Once you've gotten it pretty far, you can start pulling it off. Make sure though that only one side is being pulled off. After, grab the tube and pull it off. Alright, so now it's time to put on the new tube. I find it easiest to first put the valve stem into the hole of the rim, then feed the rest of the tube in. Once you've gotten that, start to push the tire into place, making sure that the tube is up inside there. You then get to where there's just a little bit of bead sticking out, and without pinching the tube, use the tire lever. Then lift it, and just work your way around, pushing the bead onto the rim. From here, pump it up and make sure that there aren't any imperfections, and be sure that the bead is locking into the rim. Alright, so now that we've finished that, slide the back wheel into place. Then put the chain on the back cog first, make sure that it's sitting right, then put the chain on the front, and then pull the wheel back and start tightening it. Always make sure that the wheel is straight before fully tightening it. Check the chain tension, and then fully tighten it. That's about it. Thanks for watching. It's been Quinn here, and I'll see y'all after quarantine. Peace.